Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use voice chat on Roblox. So guys, first of all, you have to enable the voice chat from the privacy. Let's go to settings. Just click on three dot and go to settings. And now to use voice chat, you just need to go to in privacy. And once you are in the privacy, you have to scroll down, and from here you have to enable microphone. So to enable microphone, you have to click on this toggle button to enable it, the first one, which is for the microphone. Once you enable it, you can enable it by clicking on it or tapping on it if you are on mobile, and click on enable to enable microphone. Once you enable, and now it's time to use voice chat on Roblox. So just open and use mic to use voice chat on Roblox. Once you're in the game, guys, to use voice chat, you just need to click on this mic over avatar's head. Just click on it. So just click on this mic icon, click on it, and now you can use your voice chat to talk with anyone. Like if there is anyone near you, you can talk to them. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can use it. If you have doubt still, you can ask me in comment section. Till then,